Hello Terry, it's Rob here at Vos Motors, taking this video especially for you of this 2015 Honda Interstate. It's a VT13CTF, which has just 347 miles on it. It's roughly about 500 kilometers. The price is 12,888 plus HST and licensing. This motorcycle is fully certified. Look at the tires, and is ready to go. It comes with nice windscreen. These are fog lights or running lights. It does have the highway crush bars and highway foot pegs as well. Flat boards for the rider, normal foot pegs for a passenger, and it does have the here it's a leather wrapped hard bags. There's manual inside, so it's a touring cruiser. As you see, black in color. It's in excellent condition, lots of chrome on it. Hill shifter as well. This is the battery lead to charge the battery, so you just plug the trickle charger and leave it on. It charges it. It's a fuel injected 1300 cc's. If you have any questions regarding this or any other motorcycles, I have other 1300s here and more in cruisers, please call us back at 905-660-2901. My extension is 212.